Okay, let's break down this viral claim about AI and the future of jobs.
You've probably seen this headline from RTUROX Tech floating around. Pretty bold, right?
It's definitely trending. So let's dig into what they're actually saying here.
First up on their list, a tool called Notebook LM.
They're claiming this is a flat-out replacement for the role of a researcher.
You just upload your files and it spits out summaries, insights, and even full reports.
Number 2 on the list is Labs.
And get this, they're presenting it as a replacement for video editors.
The idea is you just type some text and bam, a full cinematic video.
Okay, number 3, Recraft A. The claim here, it's supposed to replace the work of a designer.
It can apparently create posters, logos, and thumbnails from a single prompt.
All right, let's move on to number 4.
The source positions Devin AI as a substitute for what they call a coding buddy. It's described as an AI that can build apps, fix bugs, and write documentation.
And the last one, number 5, is 11 Labs.
This one is aimed squarely at replacing professional voiceover artists.
They say it creates human-level voices for videos, ads, courses, you name it.
So after laying all that out, what's the big message they're trying to send?
Well, first, they say AI is just moving way faster than anyone thought.
And their main point is, look, AI isn't some future thing, it's already here.
Which brings us to their final bit of advice. Stay ahead, not behind.
So the source leaves you with this question. What does staying ahead actually mean for you?